Hello everybody, Jordan Nelson here. Today we're going to talk about how to get the perfect focus every time when using manual focus on your Sony a7 III or a lot of other cameras for that matter. So in this particular shot we have my phone wallet case that we want to be in focus. So right now, as you can see, I'm in autofocus mode right there, AFC, it's continuous autofocus. So I have a shortcut on my camera to go to manual focus. You see there it says MF, so that is manual focus. Now, I'm gonna turn the peaking display off. The peaking display is what we're gonna be going through today on how to get that perfect focus. So here I would just turn the focus ring, so you can tell it's changing the focus. But depending on where you're at or how on point you want your focus to be, it can be kind of hard to tell on your little LCD screen what exactly is in focus. If it's bright and sunny outside or if you're doing some movements, but you just need it to be right on point. A lot of times it's hard to tell on your LCD screen. So this peaking display is gonna help us to get that perfect focus every single time. So I'm gonna go to my menu, I'm gonna go to peaking setting, and that's in the focus assist tab, which makes sense. It's gonna help us be able to manually focus. I'm gonna turn peaking display on. I have it set to the highest level rather than mid or low. And I'm gonna make my peaking color red. You could do yellow or white, but red is really going to help you be able to differentiate. Unless you're shooting a really red shot for some reason, then you might want to do white. So when I come back, as you can see, it is showing me exactly what's in focus. So whatever is shaded in red like that is what's in focus. So if I go ahead now and turn the focus ring, it'll show me what's in focus. Take it back, and now you can see the background's in focus. The back wall, those cords back there, the screen. Now let's say I were to turn up my aperture so I have a lot more in focus. I'm gonna bring it up because it gets pretty dark. As you can see here, the higher the f-stop, the more is in focus. So you can see a little bit on the phone there as well as in the background and on the keys. So you can see that all of those spots are in focus. Now the very front of the phone might not be in great focus when the background's in focus. So if I want everything in focus, I might want to bring my f-stop up even more. I'm really having to jack the ISO up. I would never shoot like this. But now as you can see, the cords back there as well as the front of the phone are in focus. So this peaking display is really helpful to show you exactly what you have in focus. So whenever I shoot manual mode, I use this because I don't even want to be a little bit off and have my shot be a little fuzzy, especially when I'm shooting pretty much wide open, like at 2.0 or 2.2. That's a very shallow depth of field and I want to make sure that I have it right. So this peaking display is really going to help. So I encourage you to go out and see if there's something on your camera that has something like this, a focus assist. This one's called a peaking display. I'm not sure what it's called across all the different types and brands of cameras. Thanks so much for watching. Hope that was helpful. If you like this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Have a lot more videos like this on the channel, and I will see you all in the next video.